Here's a fun beginner collage project you can try. I'm going to begin by using some handmade collage paper. These are just old drawings and sketches. At the end of a session, I just take my acrylic paint and instead of washing it down the sink, I just smear it all over this paper. Now I'm going to loosely sketch some fruits and veggies. You can theme it out. You can do Taco Tuesday, whatever you want. This is so versatile that you can make it your own and not have any worries about it. Now I'm going to take the collage paper and start cutting out some shapes. And the fun part about it is all of this handmade collage paper has different textures and marks and interesting layers to it. And that creates for a much more interesting dynamic painting than just using a flat color. Another little trick is you could just lay the paper right over your little sketch and just do a loose outline of the shape. You can even mark ends, so if you're not sure the size of it, again, you can just use this little technique to get the general idea. If you're going to go big or smaller, then I would recommend just going a little bit bigger than the shape, because we can always negative space around the shape when we're done, which we will do in just a minute. Now, as we approach the end of this painting, I'm going to use acrylics to start painting in some details. You can see I added the peas. I'm going to add also a background. I'm going to start with this kind of warm gray. I didn't like that too much. I thought it was just a little bit too dark, so I went back over it with a little bit lighter value. Once that's all finished, I'm going to take a detail brush and just add a couple of details to a few of them. You don't need a ton of it. Here's a look at the finished piece. Once again, if you would like to see the entire uncut video, there's a link in the description to the course. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you've been putting off collaging, this is a great time to start it. Again, a very easy project you can do and then make it your own. Thanks for watching.